AI image generation. Bootstrap Studio has a powerful AI image generator built in. Double-click an image to open the Images dialog. Then click on the AI Generator tab. Here you have a choice between versions 2 and 3 of the OpenAI DALL-E model. Let's try version 2 first. Choose your desired image dimensions, describe the image you want, and click Generate. The model does an okay job, but for a better result, you can try the newer DALL-E 3. This model is a bit more expensive and slower, but the result is worth the wait. In the sidebar, you'll find a list of the images you've generated. Selecting an image will display the prompt and settings you used, allowing you to tweak and regenerate it. Note that the images in this list will be deleted when the app is closed, so make sure to either import them into your design or export them to your computer to keep them. To import the selected image in your design, click OK. Since the images are usually quite large, the app will prompt you to optimize them. Just change the file type to WebP with the default settings, and this will save you 3 MB with no perceptible loss of quality.